645 snow. Hey, good morning, YouTubes. This is New England, Manchester, New Hampshire. This is after our, blizzard that started yesterday morning, and it's like now finally over 24 hours later. And it's like my fourth time of shoveling out the driveway. And yeah, and you got people out there shoveling. These kids out there working, kicking ass. And I'm walking down to the store, get some smokes. How the smokes? What's this guy doing? Over there talking to himself or whatever, but it's like this morning it was like 3 degrees, and then with the wind chill it's about 10 below zero, and this is great times. It's like try and get himself out of Stucks. He'll be able to do it, maybe. Have your license plate, buddy. And yeah, this is New England. Gotta love this. Anyway, it's like if you ever feel like your house is like really cold inside, what you do is you go outside for like about an hour and go shovel some snow, and then when you come in back inside, you say, wow, this is stinking warm. But that's my solution. Enjoy it. I'm stopping.